Hello guys, welcome to Letstute Accountancy.
Till now we have covered all the basic accounting videos and also their practice videos.
If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy our videos, also get the privilege to become our Prime member and get access to many more benefits by just clicking the join button. We also provide various online courses on our website at super affordable prices. Please do check them out.
So today we have put together a chart book which will help to understand the very basics of accounting. These are like the pillars on which the entire accounting is based. If you have watched our videos, this will serve as a summary. You can also download the PDF of these charts by clicking on the link given in the description below. This will be great for last minute quick revision. So let's see what's the difference between bookkeeping and accountancy. Bookkeeping is nothing but keeping the initial records, and when they are further classified and analyzed, they hold together is known as accountancy. So moving to the next, we understand some of the basic terms like capital, fixed assets, purchases, sales, goods, expenses, principles and conventions, So now we move on to these four important conventions. Now this is a very important chart. We can understand how all the accounts are classified. After classification of account, there are some rules that are to be followed for each account, which we can see them on the screen. And at the last, from this we know assets are always equal to liabilities. So that's it for today.
For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel Letstute Accountancy, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for latest updates. We also provide various online courses on our website at super affordable prices. Please do check them out. Thank you.